Hello YouTube, this is AllAboutAndroids.com, and today we'll be giving an app review of AirDroid. So what this app does is it allows you to wirelessly control some basic phone features. For this to work, you need a Wi-Fi connection to be exact for your phone and for the computer. So this is the app on the phone, and it does have a really nice clean interface. It does gather some information. So on the device it will tell you what's the ROM, what's the amount of space on the SD card, battery life, and some other stuff. Under apps, you get a complete app list, and you can easily uninstall them. You get a small file manager, but it doesn't have root capabilities, so it only views information on your SD card. Scroll on the right and you'll see there's a small task manager. Task managers are not good, so I don't recommend using them. And under settings, you get some basic settings. You can have a predefined password, you can leave your screen on when the app is on, and a couple of other stuff. And about, as you can see, this is the app. You can follow through Twitter, like their Facebook page, and check for updates. And let's go and see how it works. So once you have been connected to Wi-Fi, as you can see there, I'm connected to Wi-Fi. All you gotta do is click on start, and the app will begin to work. Now it gives you an IP using a port 8888, and all you have to do is go to your browser. So I'll be doing that right now. You're going to the browser 192.168.0.86, and again the port, it is 48. Press enter. It will load the AirDroid menu. Now, like I said before, you could set up a predefined password, and I'm just going to log in. And of course, it's not going to give you the exact image of your phone. It gives you a custom UI, but it is really nice and clean. Just like the app itself, the online version is nice and clean. It allows you to go to many functions, and we'll be getting it to them in a second. On the right corner, you do view a mass information of the phone itself, so it tells you the device name. So mine's a P999, and on the left side it should show you an image, but it didn't load the image yet. And right here it's like it says the Nexus S, but it's the actual GT-Wex. So we'll be hoping that they will get the image soon. So as you can see, this is just like a mass information, contacts, messages, apps, music, photos, etc. So let's get started. So under messages, you can easily read your messages from your phone, as well as send new messages. So you can simply type new messages, put any contact's name, and it will load. Type whatever you want, and you can send it to a person through the browser itself. It also has a contact list, so it is pretty sweet. Loads it within groups, as you can see, and it has some nice visual effects right here. Next, we'll be moving on to apps. Now, it does allow you to view all the apps just like the actual phone app, but the problem is if you click on uninstall, or not really a problem, it's more of a security feature. You'll press OK. You need to pull out your phone, and it will ask you to confirm. So that is it is nice but annoying at the same time, because I believe once you log in using a password, that means you want to control your phone. But it still needs some work to do right there. Call log, you can view that, and just say you copied something on your phone. You can literally use the clipboard and paste it to your computer. And you could copy something from your computer and paste it to your device wirelessly. And files, which is pretty interesting. Like I mentioned before, the file manager only views the SD card, but what is nice is you can import and export any file or folder. So just say this song, I would like to download it to my computer, export from the phone, and as you can see, a download pop-up shows up, and I can just download any file from the phone. At the same time, I can import stuff from my computer, select any file, and just add it to my phone. So it does have some nice capabilities in terms of usage. Market opens the link to the market, and I hope in the future it will be able to have it within and install without having to confirm on the phone as well. Photos, pretty interesting. You can view all the photos on your phone, upload and download them. So I'll be giving you a quick view on how it actually works. So let's just go to other wallpapers. As you can see, there's 17 wallpapers on my phone, and let's just import a couple. So select files, just select all of these, and open, and since it's on your network, it uploads within seconds. So that is a nice feature. And as you can see, I have duplicates. So what I can do is select and just select any that I don't want, and simply click delete, and it will delete it from my phone. So that is pretty interesting right there. Music, same thing. You can view all the music on your device and download them, and at the same time upload new songs if you want to add them in. So this is AirDroid, and as a whole, it is a really powerful app. It is still in beta stage, but I have some big hopes for this app in the near future. Quick last thing, at the bottom you can check your Wi-Fi strength, your mobile connectivity, as well as battery life, so that does kind of help. So if you're charging your phone at the back and you just want to take a look and send a message to someone, you can do it without having to go to the phone itself. So this was AllAboutAndroids.com. I hope you liked this video. Please comment and subscribe, and we'll get more content for you guys. Quick announcement before we leave, we have created a toolbar for you guys to keep you updated for the latest posts that we make. So there's a link to the website right here, to our Facebook page, our Twitter, and an RSS feed that will give you topics at hand. And if you're looking for something specific, such as NVIDIA, in this case, just say, it will use Google search and bring up every single post that has mentioned NVIDIA. So I hope you like that. I'll include the link down below, and it only works for Firefox and Internet Explorer.